Hello, my name is Poaman. I would like to share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. As with the last release, this SecureTransport update does not impact current configurations. That means you can install it on top of SecureTransport 5.5 GA or any following 5.5 updates. If you're installing SecureTransport for the first time, check our README or installation guide for the detailed procedure. With this release, the PostgreSQL driver, OpenJDK JRE, and Apache Ant have been updated to a more recent version. For a complete list of third-party libraries in SecureTransport and their current version, please refer to the third-party software and licenses document. The login restrictions page has been redesigned with a more modern layout using new UI technologies. You can now configure ICAP servers for mutual authentication using a client certificate selected from the local certificates. To take advantage of the new functionality, go to the Setup section in the Admin UI. Navigate to the ICAP Settings menu and click one of the available servers to edit it. To enable the mutual authentication, select Verify Server Certificate and select a client certificate. Click Save and you're ready. The system-to-human transfer site configuration has been extended with new options to set the sender's display name and send files as attachments. To enable the new functionality, select one of the available accounts, Jack, and create a new transfer site of type System-to-Human. From is the first new addition to this page. As you can see, it supports expression language. The tooltip shows a combination of dynamic text and a static text that we can use in that field. The second enhancement is the Send File as Email Attachment checkbox. The tooltip indicates that the maximum size is 25 MB by default, but you can easily change it to another value using the dedicated server configuration option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.